We have a 2013 Mazda CX-5. Customer complaint, a loud humming noise about 60 kilometers per hour. Spinned each wheel by hand and felt a vibration on left front wheel. Usually that means it's a bad wheel bearing. Let's remove the wheel. Let's remove the two 17mm bolts holding the caliper assembly. And now the brake rotor is off. Now we can remove the 32mm axle nut. Spray some WD-40. Use the pointy chisel to free the axle from the hub assembly. Now we can remove the 414mm bolts holding the bearing. Now install the hub removal tool and hammer it out. Clean up the surface. Install the new bearing. Install the caliper and the axle nut and the wheels on. Thank you for watching.